welcome back. So today I have another advent calendar unboxing for you. Well, actually it's not really an advent calendar, I suppose. It's a super cute garland. This is the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty calendar. That's what they call it. But you pull this out and it's supposed to be a string garland, and each one is in a diamond shape, and then each little diamond is a day. I thought this was a super cute concept. I'm just gonna already open it up. So this was $20. Ulta coming through with a really affordable calendar here. Oh god. So yeah, it's 20 bucks, and it does say on their website that it is supposed to be 12 deluxe sized items. So it does say it up front, no full sizes are gonna be inside of this calendar, which I really appreciate them mentioning that. And I also appreciate them keeping the price so low. That is, I think, a huge bonus, as we've seen with some of the calendars I've been unboxing. Some of the calendars are all deluxe sizes and they're like $100, and it's like, why? So I think Ulta having 12 days and only being 20 bucks for the deluxe size items isn't a bad thing. I think they are keeping the price really reasonable compared to others. But look at how cute this is. Woo! I'm gonna try to be so careful opening this up because I want to hang this after. Let's see which end we're starting with. And I see a one over here. Start breaking it into it. There may be no gentle way in doing this. But there we go. First item out. So in box number one was a Chrome Eyeshadow Duo. Let me try to dip my fingers in there to do a swatch. These are two really cute colors. So we got one a little bit more peachy pink over here, one more golden bronze, and it's super shimmery. I really like that shift on it. I just keep moving my hand so I can see it. It's kind of hard to tell. I had to bring out my camera flashlight here, but I do think that there's some little micro glitters in there. But they're pretty subtle. They blend in pretty well. So not a bad way to start here. I even think the size is pretty decent for being just a deluxe size. I don't think the pan size is really that small, so that's cool. All right, let's go to the, I almost said third. The second box over here. And try to open it up super gently. At least that's the hope. Come on, little flap. There we go. I like that they stuffed it with tissue paper. That's smart, so it's not clickety-clanging in there. But it looks like we got another eyeshadow duo here. This time they're matte formula. Oh, I should have left the other two swatched out. Let me put those back on there so I can swatch these next to it so we can see everything. So I re-swatched the original duo here, and now I put the matte duo right over here, right next to it. So it's kind of looking like we're getting ourselves a full eye look here. I like that they included that because you could definitely use these in a combination and make it work. Tint gun. Day number 3, this one over here, a little bit of a bigger diamond. Ooh, this one actually is just popping right out. I don't even need to open the whole thing. So our third item is an eyeshadow crayon. The only thing I do wish that they did for their deluxe sizes is put shade names. I can never know what shade it's supposed to be because they never put anything on the packaging. But here we got the cream shadow right on the end here. It's a super light color, got a little bit of a shimmer in it, not much. I was kind of thinking this would be maybe like an inner corner highlight kind of moment, a brow highlight, but I don't think it's shimmery enough. This might just be a very light color to put all over the lid. I don't know, I'll play around with that one, see what I like it for. And then let's pick up our long string here and move on to day number 4 over here. And this one is right in here. So our fourth item is now a plumping lip oil. I'm pretty sure we got a lip oil last year. I don't remember if it was a plumping one. You know what? Hold on, there's an easy way to find out. Okay, no, it was a tinted lip oil. It was not the plumping one. I just wanted to kind of confirm that. So this one is different. Let me get a little mirror. And I'm just gonna pop this on my lip color I got going on. I know it's a lip oil and you shouldn't really put that over color, but you know what? I'm a rebel. So yeah, that was our fourth item. Let's go over to our fifth now. Right in here. Getting a little bit hard to keep track. Ah, no, I ripped that one. Ew! I feel like it's more work just trying to be gentle pulling these out. But now it looks like we got ourselves a lipstick here. Oh, that looks like a pretty shade. Now, I'm not really good with naming lipstick colors, but this to me looks exactly like the Desert Rose paint by Bear. Yeah, that's what that one reminds me of. You know what, let me pop it on the screen. Am I not like super close on that? So let's pop this on. Pretty color, but this lipstick has a really weird scent. It smells like Play-Doh? Yeah, it kind of smells like Play-Doh in a way. It's a very interesting scent. Love the color, not the scent. Moving on now to 6 over here. We've got a bigger diamond to dive into. Oh, this one's just popping right out. Oh man, so now we're halfway through here. So our 6th item is a brow highlight. Let's take a look at what this one looks like. Oh wow, that looks almost exactly like the cream eyeshadow. Well, actually kind of different. You know what, I take that back. This one's definitely not as shimmery as the eyeshadow crayon. This one definitely looks like just a very subtle brow highlight kind of moment. I don't got any brow highlight on. Gotta blend that out a little bit. Went a little heavy-handed there. Back to my jumbled pile here. So we're looking for number 7. Which is this rose gold one. Oh, this one's being a tricky one. I might have to rip this one. It does not want to come apart. Oh, there we go. Got it. And it looks like now we got ourselves a lip gloss. This packaging led me to believe that this was going to be a very pink gloss, but it's actually pretty clear. It's got a hint of a pink tint and it's got some micro glitters in there. So I'm thinking, since there's no real color to it, maybe just popping it on the lip color we already got. Man, these little wands do not let you get a whole lot of product out. Gotta keep dunking. There we go, so we just got a little glossy moment on top of our previous color. Back up here to the 8th diamond. Let us break in and see what we are working with. I'm kind of giving up on being nice to these. There's so many, I can just take them back up. So it looks like we got ourselves another lip color and formula here. This is their matte liquid lipstick. Went ahead and placed our newest one right down here. I don't have any paint color to compare this one to though. This one just looks more like a rose shade. But you know, we gotta try it on. Cute little shade. On to number 9. This large pink diamond. This one's new. At least to me, this is their mattifying face primer. Now they say that each box is supposed to be their limited edition beauty surprises, but I think they have a mattifying face primer that they already sell. Oh yeah, and I found it here. I wonder if it's the same one. So if it is, this says it's supposed to have salicylic acid for smoother, clearer looking complexion, refines the pores for even foundation application. But yeah, just like it sounds, it's supposed to smooth you out and make you matte. And then on to box number 10 here on the garland. Looking like we got ourselves a blush duo. So yeah, we got a duo of blushes. I am seriously running out of room here. I think I might go on the inside. That way you guys could see it a little bit better. So we got these 2 blushes here. We got one pink, one a bit more orange toned, or kind of coral, I mean. That actually reminded me quite a bit of last year's blush duo, so I just kind of had to pull it out to double check here. So this is last year's over here in this hand. This is the 2020 variation. Okay, so it is different colors. It looks so similar just because of that top shade. But okay, yeah, they're different. Just had to confirm it. But we got 2 matte blushes there. And then now we only got 2 more items. Oh, so sad. Getting to the end of it. Let's pop into them, see what our last couple days are. So our 11th day now is a highlighter. It's got a little star been pressed into it. Oh, there you go. You can catch it in the light. So we got a very classic gold highlight sitting right there. Oh, dang it, I dug my nail into it. Whoops. kind of have a lot of highlight going on right now, but who said there's such a thing as too much highlight? It wasn't me. So I'll take this clean highlighting brush I got here. Just kind of pop a little bit on. Yes, just like I suspected. Can't tell. Just being honest, I couldn't tell the difference between the highlighter I was already wearing in that one. And now, let's grab our last one over here, and it is another large diamond. I really like the pattern on this one. Looks so cute with the white and gold. And don't even know what this is. Oh my gosh, this is small for what it is. This is a makeup setting spray. Looked like it was a sample of a perfume, but let's try it. Oh my god. That is not a good mister on that little bottle. Just comes out like a jet stream. May need to put that into something else. Feels like parts of my face are just super soaked and other parts didn't get anything. But that was it now. That was our entire garland unboxed, all 12 items. So let's do a quick recap here. We ended up getting 4 lip products, different formulas, different kinds, 2 cream eyeshadow products, a mattifying primer, a setting spray, 1 highlighter, 2 different kinds of eyeshadow duos, and a blush duo. So that was all the items that came inside of our Ulta calendar. Yeah, I actually really enjoyed this one. I think it's a fun little calendar to be able to gift out to someone. I think it looks really cute, it's affordable, and I also did really enjoy that they did switch it up this year. So I was keeping track of the items and kind of remembering what I got last year, and all of these items were different from the previous Ulta Beauty calendar, which I think is huge because a lot of the calendars usually do repeating items and then it just gets really boring. So if you are someone who's already gotten this one, you're not going to be getting the same items. So I think this one was a win, and I definitely would recommend this little calendar here. I'm gonna try to save these diamonds and hang them up somewhere just because they look so darn cute. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this advent calendar unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!